A very good evening to all of you. Thanks for coming on time and making the session a grand thing. Aaj we are going to have a different atmosphere today. We are going to talk more on finance, and today's speaker is a very versatile speaker, एक multifaceted personality है. Ravi, I just want the next slide, please. Thank you. So thank you for coming and joining the session. Today's speaker is a special guy. His name is Amitabh Acharya, he belongs to Kolkata and is a very special person to me as a whole. He's a partner with Metrics Training and Insurance Group. He's also an associate partner with Upsolent, where he is actually instrumental in building the entire pan-India presence. Okay, he's also a co-owner for Sincere Security Services, which is operating out of Calcutta and has been doing very successfully. Very happy to tell you that he's an associate with Edelweiss's Financial Group, right? And he's also an associate with Insurance Institute of India. He's a BTech Civil from Durgapur. He has done his MBA from NIPM, and he has done in post-graduation in programming and certification of sales and marketing, IIM Indore. Highly qualified guy. Certificate in financial market from Yale University, USA. He's also done certificate in social financial entrepreneurship, Cape Town University, South Africa. Certified personal financial advisor, SEBI. So I would really be very happy to tell Amitabh to start this session. He's going to give a light on how a lot of financial opportunities have been, you can look at it from an entrepreneur point of view, and he's going to really explore a lot of opportunity for financial, right? So I request everybody to be, to write down whatever questions they have got. In the end, we will be definitely taking care of all the question and answer session. So let's a warm welcome to Amitabh. Amitabh, over to you. Yeah, thank you.
Hello, warm welcome to everybody.
Amitabh, you're on mute.
Mute me.
Please unmute.
Unmute karo.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, warm welcome to everybody, and thanks for the patience hearing from Mr. Anand sir. Thanks a lot for a humble beginning of my career and my qualifications, and I'm greatly warmful. Thanks to you. Thanks to Ritesh, Ravi, Chikuji, Ritesh ji, and Deepak ji, that this platform is given to us the opportunity to form a community which is passionpreneur community. Let me just brief you. This community idea came 2 months back, and we thought that we have a very challenging time, which is like COVID, and we are locked in home, work from home model, and a lot of challenges coming to our personal life, professional life, and social environment. So coming forward, we plan to have a platform where we can have all the entrepreneurs, or you can say passionpreneurs, self-employed people or talented people, to collaborate, learn, share their ideas, do cross connection, and have a network of people who can do well and for entire community. So the platform idea was created. Happy to announce that we have been a successful launch pan-India level. We are a 400 member community now. We are successfully webinar sessions in week twice, and carrying forward the baton of entrepreneurship. Today, I would like to talk about the opportunities and the upcoming career in financial sector. So, see, currently, till COVID struck, we were the fastest growing economy in the world. If you see the GDP figures of India, last 3 years, 2017 financial year, 2018, 2019, the growth path was very high, from 7.1 to 7.4. The median was 7% GDP growth of India, compared to China, which was now around 6.3 as a median growth rate. US was around 1.8 to 2.5 variation was there, and Europe also was in same. European Union was the same zone of 1.8 to 2%. So world economic growth was 3.9%. So we had a tag that we are the fastest growing economy of the world till the COVID thing happened. Post-COVID, all the studies are showing the trends that we will have a contraction, and all the world economy, only China and India will have some kind of growth in this financial year, which can be ranging from 1.8 to 2%. So still, even though COVID has stuck in a very big way in India, the opportunity and growth is there immense, because we have gone through a phase where the growth will be immense, because we have a hockey stick kind of curve economy which is coming up in future. We'll have a huge recovery curve very fast. You can see a lot of growth, immense growth happening in the growing sector of the economy. Next, please. As a career opportunity, we can see, if you count the total kind of fees distribution happening in insurance sector and mutual fund industry, which are heavily regulation is there with SEBI and IRDA, 42,000 crore rupees of money was distributed among the brokers, financial planner, advisors in last financial year. Imagine the growth which is going to happen, because post-COVID, the brand recall of insurance sector or the mutual fund sector will go very high, because people are aware that health and life are very important to them. Because entrepreneur is a community which is growing very fast in India and emerging economy. And even the COVID situation was there, we had a lot of things which is coming up. Sectoral wise, you will see the sector of insurance, finance, non-banking finance sector are immensely coming up with entrepreneurial model. So we will right now we'll discuss on one sector of the economy, which is insurance. So we have a short description of generation on insurance sector going forward. And life of an entrepreneur is obviously challenging, but we will like to see what is going to be the opportunities coming up in insurance sector in 1 to financial years. Financial platform has 3 pillars. If I say my experience of 2 decades, what I found that 3 things are very ingredient to success. Passion is definitely, without passion, going through a lot of changes happening and press and rough coming up with all your sectoral analysis is very difficult period of time for us. So passion has to be there. हमारे दिल में अगर passion है, हम कुछ करना चाहते हैं, तो ये sector is going to reward us like anything. Promotion, yes, we have to do a lot of marketing, lot of PR activity, lot of one-to-one communication, have to meet a lot of people. So promotion is very, very important. And you have to be very, very persistent, because failure rates will be high also in this industry. Because it's a industry which आप कारोबार करते हैं पैसे का, ब्रोकरेज का कारोबार करते हैं, तो पैसा निकालना देना इतना आसान नहीं है. और जो चैलेंजिंग सिचुएशन हमारे देश में अभी आने वाली है, तो वी हैव टू हैव ए क्रेडिबिलिटी टू fetch money from the market. So these 3 parameters are very, very ingredients for a financial platform success. And distribution करना है, अपना बिल्डअप करना है, टीम बिल्डिंग करना है, अपना प्लेटफॉर्म बनाना है, तो ये 3 चीजें आपके अंदर होनी चाहिए. आप क्वालिफाइड हैं, आपका उतना डिग्री है, ठीक है, लेकिन अगर आपके अंदर ये 3 खूबियां हैं, तो यू कैन कैरी फॉरवर्ड द बैटल इन फाइनेंशियल सेक्टर. नेक्स्ट प्लीज. एनी मॉडल ऑफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, आप जब पैसा आता है तभी आप कुछ बिजनेस करते हैं. तो ये पहले जो ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं उनके लिए इजी नहीं है, डिफिकल्ट है, लेकिन उतनी वर्ल्ड क्लास ट्रेनिंग इस प्लेटफॉर्म में है. फाइनेंशियल सेक्टर हैज वर्ल्ड क्लास ट्रेनिंग प्लेटफॉर्म विद एवरी कंपनी व्हिच इज ऑपरेटिंग. So training will be a platform where financial sector people can get advice. और सबसे important success factor जो है ना, वो है कि right work habit. अगर आपको अच्छी टीम बनानी है, सक्सेसफुल होना है, तो आपके पास ऐसी टीम होनी चाहिए, आपके हैबिट भी होनी चाहिए. अगर हैबिट नहीं है, तो आप कहीं पे आगे बढ़ नहीं सकते हैं. स्टीवन को भी मैं सेशन किया था बहुत साल पहले, तो उन्होंने कहा था कि 7 वर्क हैबिट यू हैव टू हैव. अगर वो चीजें आप करते हो लाइफ में, तो आगे बढ़ सकते हो. और सक्सेसफुल एंटरप्रेन्योर का एक दायरा होता है, उसको एक डिसिप्लिन, एक किस्म का जुनून होना चाहिए, तभी वो आगे बढ़ सकता है. एंड ये अच्छा फ्लेक्सिबल मॉडल है, वर्क फ्रॉम होम मॉडल है, इजी टाइमिंग्स है, कैपिटल इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं है, जहाँ पे आप अपने हिसाब से सोच सकते हो, कर सकते हो. तो वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन मॉडल देता है फाइनेंशियल सेक्टर, जहाँ आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो. आदमी प्रोफेशनल भी आता है तो वो आगे से कर सकता है. अगर कोई बंदा नया है, he is going to do well in industry, he is coming to industry, he will also do well. He is a platform where anybody can strike big anytime. That is the beauty of the model of distribution. तो माइंड गेम है, जो हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि हमारे माइंड में चलता रहता है कि expenses है, we have a lot of things coming up, we have children marriage coming up, we have education loans, we have home loans, we have grocery bills to be paid, electricity bills to be paid. There are a lot many expenses coming up in every moment of our life. The recurring expenses. So how to have a peace of mind? I will say that we are earning and we are earning for our living, but we plan savings and we have a good kind of parameters of savings, and we have protection for us, which is called insurance. We can have peace of mind. Today we are earning, we're not earning, our family can take care of the lifestyle because of insurance. So that is the advantage of insurance sector as a whole. I would like to have some lights on insurance sector distribution model going forward. So insurance is a multiple benefit opportunity. Work from home, zero capital investment, capital building नहीं है, team building activity है. You have network, you have people, you have a world class training platform. You can do wonders in this economy. आप जिस प्रोफेशन में ऑलरेडी हैं, अगर आप इंश्योरेंस में आते हैं तो जो नेटवर्क आपका है वो आपके काम आएगा, आड़े आएगा. Because every industry has a platform, and the platform is network. Insurance industry में we have to go and meet people and have to meet one-to-one contacts at various interaction levels. So the more team you have, more people you have to interact more. And so if you sell from the day one, entire money is a profit to you. 100% profit industry में काम करता है. And the return of investment is very, very high because no capital investment as such, like for manufacturing industry or for hotel industry or for a traveling industry, wherever recurring expenditure and a capital investment has to be made, which is not in the case of insurance sector or the financial sector. 100% of your earning becomes your profit right from the first sale. Multiply and build network. ये जरूरी है, आपको नेटवर्क बिल्डअप करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज एंड यूटिलाइज द एडिशनल अर्निंग. जो आपको अर्निंग्स आ रही है आप अपने प्राइमरी बिजनेस भी कर सकते हैं. लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर कमिंग इनटू दिस कोविड सिनेरियो कि मेरा प्राइमरी इनकम रुक गया है, मेरे कुछ एक्सपेंसेस है, मेरे कुछ लेबर के पेमेंट्स बाकी है, मेरे कुछ ड्यूज है, वेंडर पेमेंट बाकी है. So whatever you are earning from the secondary or passive income from insurance sector or maybe financial sector, that can you reinvest in the private sector and develop that industry also. So this is the congruent kind of line where you can follow and grow together. तो ये ऐसा इंडस्ट्री है जो आपको रिकरिंग बेनिफिट देते रहेगा, कैपिटल आते रहेगा, आपको यहाँ से एक किस्म का अर्निंग अपॉर्चुनिटी आते रहेगा. जो दैट इज द रिस्क एंड रिवार्ड प्रोफाइल ऑफ दिस इंडस्ट्री. नेक्स्ट सर, अर्निंग जो है इस सेक्टर में 3 तरह से आती है. एक आपको फिक्स्ड इनकम है. बहुत सारी कंपनी से इंडस्ट्री में आई है जिनका कुछ पोर्शन जो है फिक्स्ड रहता है and they expect that you build a team for them and you build the network for them. So that is always there in this industry. Fixed model भी है यहाँ पे. साथ में बहुत बड़ा अमाउंट जो है वेरिएबल अमाउंट है, जो it can be in lakhs, it can be in crores, depending on the your skill set level, your kind of passion, your kind of promotion of your network. And obviously record and acquisitions will be there. You have foreign travels, you can have domestic travels, and you can have lot of things encashable in this industry. आपका ये टैक्सेबल जो चीजें हैं वो भी यहाँ पे एनकैश कर सकते हैं. दिस इज द बिजनेस एडवांटेज ऑफ दिस इंडस्ट्री. अभी आते हैं रोक पे. आनंद जी यूज करते हैं वर्ड रोकड़ा. रोकड़ा कहाँ से आएगा? तो ये ऐसा ही बिजनेस है जहाँ पे टाइम इज योर ओन इन्वेस्टमेंट. ये आपको टाइम देना है सर. इंडस्ट्री में सीखना है और पढ़ना है और टाइम देना है, आपको लगे रहना है. अपने खुद के आप मालिक हैं, आपको सम्मान भी मिलेगा, आपको सम्मान भी मिलेगा, आपका अपने रुतबा होगा इस इंडस्ट्री में. इतना वो है. आज ये इंडस्ट्री आपको लॉन्ग टर्म पेंशन अर्निंग दे सकती है. कभी बंद नहीं होने वाली इंडस्ट्री है. बिकॉज इंश्योरेंस करना ही है, पेंशन प्रोडक्ट लेना ही है, टर्म इंश्योरेंस करना ही है, हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस करना ही है. तो लोगों की डिमांड्स है, बेसिक लिविंग की डिमांड्स है. तो ये इंडस्ट्री आगे जाके 25-30 साल तक आपको रिकरिंग इन्वेस्टमेंट, रिकरिंग पैसा देती रहेगी जो आपका रिटायरमेंट कॉर्पस बन सकता है. अर्निंग फ्रॉम दिस इंडस्ट्री. 1 रुपया नहीं लगा के आप नॉलेज के नेटवर्क से बेस करके आप अपना पूरा कैरियर बना सकते हैं इस इंडस्ट्री में. खुद की टीम बनाइए, उसको डेवलप कीजिए, उसको कोचिंग कीजिए, अपने हिसाब से काम कीजिए, टीम को बुलाइए, वर्क फ्रॉम होम कीजिए. कोई इसमें बंदिश नहीं है. बिकॉज एवरी कंपनी नाउ नोज दैट वी हैव टू हैव दिस वर्क फ्रॉम होम मॉडल. तो इंश्योरेंस इंडस्ट्री इज थ्राइविंग बिकॉज लास्ट 2-3 मंथ्स का जो फिगर्स आ रहे हैं तो इंडस्ट्री इज ग्रोइंग. अदर इंडस्ट्री में ऑटोमोबाइल इंडस्ट्री जीरो सेल्स इन अप्रैल. They recovered little in May, but 85% down. Insurance industry is 20% down from the primary last year figures level as a whole. So it shows that this industry is in recovery mode already. Last 2 months figures I'm saying. So this is an industry which is going to have a leap forward growth. So story will going to unveil because economy is going to revive. And जब इकोनॉमी में बूम आने वाला है तो इंडस्ट्री आगे बढ़ सकता है, काफी बड़े स्केल में बढ़ेगा. नेक्स्ट. हमारी जो कंट्री है उसका अगर हम 150 करोड़ या 130 करोड़ का पॉपुलेशन देखें तो 97% ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन स्टिल बीन अनइंश्योर्ड और नॉट एडिक्वेटली इंश्योर्ड, और उनको उतनी बेसिक इंश्योरेंस भी नहीं है. ओनली 3.9% ऑफ द पीपल आर इंश्योर्ड एक्चुअली. With all the Ayushman Bharat, Pradhan Mantri Bima Yojana, everything with state government Yojana, still we are not that much covered. So the scope is very, very high. 97% of the population is not adequately insured or uninsured. And economy का एक ऐसा तत्व है, young population in India is growing very leaps and bounds. So earlier young population was not into insurance as a whole, but now they are, because of the situation changing, they're investing a lot in insurance sector or mutual fund sector. So there will be a huge jump in the collection in kind of business opportunity coming up in future. और एवरेज रेट, एवरेज जो हम लोग एज होती है 47 थी 1969 में, वो बढ़ के अभी 67 हो गई है 2019 में. तो लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी इज गोइंग टू गो लीप्स एंड बाउंड. अभी 67 68 जा रहा है, तो आगे भी 75 जाएगा. तो पीपल विल लीव मोर, so they need protection, they need pension plans. So there is a huge scope coming up in future. Demography of India is going to change from young to we will have a lot of demographic insurance zone. Any product you see in the investment market, whether it's gold, real estate, fixed deposit, post office mutual funds, RBI bond, the brand recall of the first instrument is obviously fixed deposit, but second most popular investment mode in India is life insurance. Because still people, even though with all reservation, they opt for life insurance as a product. Obviously, there is a tax benefit angle to it. Obviously, bank FDs also have a tax benefit for 5 years bonds. But life insurance is a tool for investment protection and obviously tax benefit. So it is the most, I can say, second most important instrument for invest till now in India. Market is growing very huge. मैंने एक सर्वे किया था 3 years back. Industry size wise was not going that way. It was 4.7 lakh AUM था. मतलब अगर आप बात करें as a premium collection in India was only 4,07,000 crores. Within 5 years, it is going to double. It will be maybe within 2021-22, it will be 8 lakh crore industry first premium income. See, there are three fundamental things in insurance sector. One is the variable model, the fixed model, and reverse model. We are welcoming industry entrepreneurs. We are welcoming people. Why? Because today, अगर आप मेरी बात करें तो मैं 20 साल पहले जब इंडस्ट्री में आया था तो there are less opportunities, but there are now 70 to 80 companies coming up in insurance sector. So every company is looking for talent, harnessing the talent, growing the talent, और सब चाहते हैं कि इंडस्ट्री ऐसी जगह पे जाए जहाँ पे उनको ऑटो मोड पे अच्छे लोग मिलते रहे. और people are there. People are going to find out right people, right talent, and harness them. And obviously, one can travel, one can earn in huge amount of money in this industry, and one cannot have very good lifestyle. आज की डेट पे हम घर पे बैठे हुए हैं, लेकिन ऐसा है, ऐसा प्रोडक्ट है, ऐसा टूल है कि हम लोग घर से बैठ के भी काम कर सकते हैं. आईटी एंड इंश्योरेंस इज द टू ओनली इंडस्ट्रीज जो नियर रिप्लेसमेंट हुई है. मैन्युफैक्चरिंग की बात करें, ट्रैवल की बात करें, एयरलाइंस की बात करें, तो काफी हिकअप्स आने वाले हैं. लेकिन ये टू इंडस्ट्रीज हैं जो वर्क फ्रॉम होम मॉडल को अडॉप्ट कर चुके हैं. बिकॉज एवरी कंपनी इज डिजिटल नाउ. हर कंपनी का क्लेम प्रोसेस, प्रीमियम कलेक्शन प्रोसेस, रिन्यूअल प्रोसेस, ट्रेनिंग प्रोसेस, एवरीथिंग इज डिजिटल. So economy is in such a mode that we have to abide by the economic condition of India and all social environment also in India. So in this sector, the growth will be immense because we are adapted to digital model. So now in my home, last 4 months I'm in home, but we are going to have lot many things coming up, flats coming up. Why? Because sector is like that. एक मैं बड़ा अच्छा एग्जांपल देता हूँ कि आज ये प्लेटफॉर्म में if I'm only Amitabh is speaking, other not participating, the thing will not happen. Similarly, in the insurance industry also, if I say that I will sell, I will learn, I will go, I will face the business, I will stagnate. So they are thinking this way: that we have team in our building, and team will develop the business. We have immense potential for growth. Today, if I go to any industry, I have to slog for minimum 8 hours, 9 hours, and then I get a payment at the end of the month, salary or whatever amount. But in this industry, if I build my team, I build the expertise, I train them, coach them, mentor them, they will work for me. They are my. So suppose I earn 12 lakh rupees in 1 year. Next year, if I build my team with each individual contributing to my business, our income goes triple to 4 times. That has been happening across the industry. So power of team is very important. You spend on them, you train them, you go them to guide them, and they will do business for you. You will do business for you, and you add the entire amount, it will be 3 or 4 times when you do alone. So that is the power of team in business. Every industrial person will think why we are going for team building. Team building is very important for this business. It's your role. If you are in this industry, there are certain basic parameters you have to follow. Self-development, learning, evaluating, new skills, detailed adaptation has to be done. Spend more time learning and understanding this business. Hello, when this business is being done, you have to learn a lot. Spending more time with yourself, learning the new, learning a lot of things which is been in it will help you immensely. More people you meet, more you, because recruiting right kind of people and building a team is in this business. You have to have a scope where you meet a lot of people every day. एंड जो आदमी आपके साथ जोड़े वो कमिटेड हो, पैशनेट हो, आपकी बात सुने, समझे, because grooming them and teaching them is a task, and which is to sell insurance. Activate your team very importantly, because अगर आपका बंदा इनकम कर रहा है आपके टीम से, आपके पूरे ग्रुप में, तो वो आपसे जुड़ा रहेगा. तो मेकिंग श्योर दैट पीपल आर अर्निंग फ्रॉम यू थ्रू द सेलिंग ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स, and that is very important for activation and helping them succeed through joint field calls. आपको उनके साथ लेके जाना पड़ेगा, उनको कॉल पे लेके जाना पड़ेगा, उनको गाइड करना, उनको अच्छा आदत डालना है, उनको एक्टिवेशन करना है, उनको सक्सेस दिखाना है. दैट इज द की इंग्रेडिएंट ऑफ सक्सेस इन दिस इंडस्ट्री. आपको टीम को एंगेज भी करना है, बिकॉज अगर आप सिर्फ उनको बिजनेस की बात करेंगे तो शायद नहीं जुड़ेंगे. उनके पर्सनल पारिवारिक इश्यूज होते हैं, उनको डिस्कस करना है, उनको सपोर्ट करना है, उनको सुनना है, इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ट्रेनिंग, कोचिंग, मेंटरिंग इज गोइंग हैंड्स ऑन एवरी टाइम. और आपको एक स्ट्रॉन्ग डिजायर होना चाहिए कि उनको सिखाएं कैसे, उनको हर दिन लर्निंग का आदत डाल दें. कस्टमर सर्विस थ्रू योर team has to be checked also, because when you are doing a customer transaction, the team has to have good ethics, good value, and good system of knowledge. Then only the customer will trust you, because he's parting his money to your team and your brand building activity. आज ही मेरे जो क्लाइंट्स हैं 15-20 साल से जुड़े हुए हैं, because they know Amitabh is there, he is being handling my finances, so he is a key person who is going to manage my finances. So that trust has to be built. If trust is built, sky is the limit for earning, because trust is the most valuable fundamental truth of life. If you trust, you are trustable, then people will come to you, talk to you, and do business with you. Thankful to Anandji, Riteshji, Deepakji for giving me a wonderful audience today. Thanks a lot.
इन जनरल आप बता दीजिए, अच्छा रहेगा. अभी कोविड चल रहा है, everybody's know. Usually, if insurance selling is very difficult, right? You have to meet one to one. You have to convince him. Not only one meeting. जैसे आपने कहा एक मीटिंग में नहीं होता है. रिलेशन बिल्ड करना होगा और बाद में वो क्लोज होता है. अब कोविड जो सिचुएशन है वहां पर आप अभी फिलहाल जा नहीं सकते हो, तो एक थोड़ा रास्ता जरिया बताइए कि कैसे क्लोज करे सर, अगर जो भी इंश्योरेंस में है.
देखिए, मैं जो मेरा तरीका है मैं बता रहा हूँ. मैं दूसरों के तरीके बोल नहीं सकता, अपने बारे में बता रहा हूँ. मेरा हो रहा है कैसे काम. मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, जो मेरे एग्जिस्टिंग क्लाइंट बेस थे 500-600 लोगों को, उनको वेलकम मेल, उनको ईमेल्स, एसएमएस, व्हाट्सएप में करता था. What after COVID I did was कि I used to personally call them regularly, but there was a gap. Now what is happening? They are all work from home मॉडल पे आ गए हैं. उनका भी क्या है कि उनका जो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में है या कुछ बिजनेस ट्रेडिंग कर रहे हैं, तो उनके पास टाइम है. What I found that post COVID people have time to listen to you. Earlier they used to say we are busy, but now they are not busy. So what I used to do is like bring them to my platform of Zoom or Microsoft Teams and have a one-to-one chat or on discussing issues, on service issues, on maybe some product training. So that bonding was done. Since I was in touch with them daily basis, so they have a requirement which is popping up with their family members, with their friends, with their connections in their offices. So that is the way I could get a lot of referral marketing happening with me, and I could close the deal. And people.
This is Deepak Arora. And in next 5 years, what will be the growth percentage annually in insurance sector?
If you see normally the industry privatization of the industry 2000 year to now 20 years, the growth is 17%. The entire industry was going at compounded annual growth rate of 17%. It will go to 22% to 23% for sure. Why? Because the penetration level will go very high. There are a lot of demographics, which is a young population are coming to do insurance online. Online as a medium is very, very high called now. Earlier, physical one-to-one connection or bank insurance or brokers were very much relevant in the industry. But online suddenly after COVID will be very, very, very big thing. And world over is the trend also. Industry is going to be retail. So fintech companies, insurance companies will be totally retail mode of operations. So I will see that people who are initially not approached for insurance, they will be willing to buy insurance through online platforms. Sir,
how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, the session was good. I just wanted to have a quick for new joiners for in insurance segment.
Yes.
Can every day we meet new people. Can you just give 2-liners, 3-liners for just like a elevator pitch for them?
Elevator pitch, right? Elevator pitch, right? Very simple. Protection everywhere. Protection everywhere. You take a sanitizer. You take a topi, you take a hand gloves. So same thing for our soul also. No? Soul is what? Our soul is also part of our body. For soul, protection is important. And if I don't survive, my family has to run, groceries has to be paid, The school fees has to be paid. The function has to be done. Where the money will come? Only one tool, which is insurance.
This is
Yes.
Ritesh.
Yes.
Amitabh, I just want to know the currently maybe the percentage of people in India who holds the any kind of insurance, maybe lower side. But
Yeah.
let's say if it is going higher side, will be there any impact on the premiums? Can it be lower?
See, if the age is demographic age is lower, the premium will be less. If you have a person who's 60 years old, 65 years old, obviously the premium will be higher side because the risk reward is there. Because risk is
Amitabh,
higher
I'm
in
I'm not talking about the age, but the
yes,
premium, but the premium amount.
yes.
Today, if I'm paying some 10,000 rupees, because the percentage of people who are holding the insurance is very less, but when it is become higher,
Hmm.
that case I must say.
The premium will not go high because if you see the rates will be standardized rate. Mortality tables are there, so rate will not go because premium is higher. This is not a conclusion. What we do is risk reward thing. We have a called mortality table. So in that we know the age medians and already the premium sum assured everything. So rate, it will not go up. It will not go up. Thank you very much. Thanks for all of you and have a very wonderful time ahead. And I wish that we can have lovely sessions like that in the future, and we can have a very much open discussion on a lot of topics which is coming up. I know the audience is new to insurance or financial sector, but we have a lot of things coming up in future. Deepaji, would like to add on something like that and conclude the session?
No, Anandji can take a.
We have a small poll.
Yeah, thank you
We are
everyone.
participating.
Deepaji, can you just conclude the session now?
Yeah,
Idrisji?
Anandji has some.
Anandji, can you just
Anandji-
announce your,
Yeah,
your,
Anandji said that he
Yeah,
has to share
thank you
something.
very much. I think a lot of people have given a great response, and I hope we will be doing this kind of sessions regularly for the benefit of all the entrepreneurs as well as the financial professionals who's here. Amitabh, it was a great session. I think we added a lot of value to it. You really made it explore the industry as an insurance as a whole. What are the roles? How we can able to one can able to do it, and a lot of participation from the audience as well. That there was a lot of requirement of new scripts and things like that. So it was a wonderful session. And going forward, I